This video will show you how to properly install and use your Z-trimmer on your mower, and is meant to be used in conjunction with the operator's manual, available online at lawnvac.com. When installing, please adhere to all safety recommendations and requirements as outlined in the manual. Before we get started, the following tools would be helpful: a clamp, a permanent marker, a center punch, a hammer, a power drill with a 5/16" drill bit for metal drilling, a 7/16 wrench, and a 7/16 socket with extension. The style of mowing deck on your machine will determine which mounting holes you will use. The unit comes fully assembled, ready for installation. Before drilling any holes into your mowing deck, locate the best position for the Z-trimmer. This is where your clamp can be utilized to help test the position. We recommend that you mount the unit on a 90-degree angle and flush with the edge of the deck. Here are a few things you should consider before drilling any holes. Clearance of the Z-trimmer in both the up and down positions, ensuring the arm will not interfere with the mower's operating bars, both in the up and down position. Accessibility to the handle from the operator's seat. Distance between the trimmer head and the mowing deck when the Z-trimmer is in the engaged position. Finally, check for possible blade interference. To install, place the Z-trimmer to the side of the mowing deck opposite of the grass discharge chute. Position the base so that the plate is flush with the edge of the deck and on center. Once in position, mark 4 holes from the base plate onto your mowing deck. Use your center punch and hammer to make a starting point for your drill bit. Drill the holes with your 5/16" drill bit. Secure the Z-trimmer to the mowing deck using the 4 1/4" hex bolts and 4 1/4" nylon flanged lock nuts. One of the features of the Z-trimmer is its adjustable height, so you can ensure that the path of the trimmer aligns with the path of the mower blades. To change the height, shift the Z-trimmer into the down position, making sure that the mower is off and the Z-trimmer is not running and the power is disconnected. First, unscrew the star bolt. Then, using a ratchet or crescent wrench, unscrew and remove the carriage bolts. Raise or lower the motor mount until the trimmer line is at the desired height. Then insert the carriage bolts into the appropriate height adjustment holes and tighten. To fine-tune the height, turn the adjustment bolt clockwise to lower the swing arm, or counterclockwise to raise the swing arm. Once the trimmer has been secured to the mowing deck and the desired height is achieved, first ensure that the power switch is in the off position. Then attach the extension cord to the trimmer. Route the power cable before connecting the cable to the battery. Keeping the cable away from all heat sources, run the cable around the outside of the operator seat so that the cable does not interfere with the seat or the control arms. Connect the main power cable to the mower battery by connecting the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Thank you again for your purchase of your new PECO Z-trimmer.